Well, this is a little bit of a chunky monkey. This is from the kit that Lynn Phelps, Papercraft by Lynn, sent me. This is just going to be a real quick flip through. Tag. Oops. That. These images are absolutely beautiful. This is some ephemera that somebody had gifted me. Another little tag. Journaling space. I decided that I really liked this one, so I left a lot of space for journaling in it because I'm going to keep it for me. This envelope is beautiful. It matches the previous page. I love that folder, and I probably wasn't supposed to use it like this, but that's where it seemed to fit, so I stenciled some of the pages. I love sunflowers. Another embellishment that somebody gifted me. This is the center. This is a lace doily someone was going to throw away, and I kind of rescued it and just stuck it in here. I really like it. Belly band to match the guest check. Another embellishment page. This is a fold out for journaling. And I can hardly ever get this back in there. But it does fit, honest. I'll put it in later. Little side pocket. Sorry guys, trying to do this one-handed, and sometimes my hands just don't like my body. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. Sunflowers again. And that's it. We've come to the end. I haven't quite figured out exactly how I'm going to get it to close yet, but I love it. So, there you go, Lynn. Thank you.